Hey there, folks! Welcome back to another awesome video on our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smart money tactics and exploring the top strategies for online income. If you've ever dreamt of making money from the comfort of your own home, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Strategy number 1 is affiliate marketing. Now, you might be wondering what affiliate marketing is all about. Well, it's a simple concept where you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. This can be a great way to generate passive income, as you don't have to worry about creating your own product. To get started in affiliate marketing, you need to find a niche that you're passionate about. It could be anything from fitness to beauty, technology to personal finance. Once you've found your niche, research and identify products or services that align with your audience's needs and interests. Sign up for affiliate programs and start promoting those products or services through your website, blog, social media channels, or even through YouTube videos like this one. Strategy number 2 is creating and selling digital products. This is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and expertise to generate income online. Whether you're a talented writer, a graphic designer, a photographer, or even a musician, there's a market out there for your digital creations. For instance, if you're a writer, you can create ebooks, online courses, or even offer freelance writing services. If you're a photographer, you could sell stock photos or create presets for editing software. The possibilities are endless. The key to being successful with this strategy is to ensure that you're providing something of value to your audience. Conduct market research to identify what people are looking for, and tailor your products or services to meet those needs. Develop a strong brand presence and market your creations through various online platforms. Moving on to strategy number 3, online coaching and consulting. If you have specialized knowledge or expertise in a particular field, you can monetize that by offering coaching or consulting services. This can be done through one-on-one sessions, group coaching programs, or even online workshops. To get started, identify your niche and define your target audience. Determine what specific problem or challenge you can help them solve. Build credibility by showcasing your knowledge and experience through content creation, such as blog articles, podcasts, or YouTube videos. This will help establish trust and attract potential clients. Strategy number 4 is creating a YouTube channel. Yes, you heard it right, YouTube. It's not only a platform for entertainment but also a powerful tool to generate income. By creating engaging and valuable content, you can grow your subscriber base and monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own products or services. To be successful on YouTube, it's crucial to find your unique voice and niche. Identify topics that you're passionate about and that align with what your target audience is searching for. Consistency is key, so make sure you're uploading high-quality content on a regular basis. Engage with your viewers through comments and build a community around your channel. Strategy number 5 is e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, starting your own e-commerce business has become easier than ever before. Whether you want to sell physical products or dropship, there are plenty of opportunities to make money in the e-commerce world. To get started, think about what products you'd like to sell. Conduct market research to identify trends, demand, and competitors. Create an appealing online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Market your products through social media, influencer collaborations, and even search engine optimization techniques to drive traffic to your store. Remember, success in e-commerce comes from providing value and exceptional customer service. Focus on building a strong brand and nurturing relationships with your customers. Last but not least, strategy number 6 is investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. While this strategy carries some level of risk, it can also be highly rewarding if done correctly. To start, educate yourself on the basics of investing and understand the different types of assets available. Consider investing in diverse stocks or ETFs, exchange-traded funds, to minimize your risk. Research and analyze potential investments before making any decisions. It's important to stay informed about market trends and stay up to date with the latest news in the financial world. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, it's essential to do thorough research before investing. Understand the technology, the team behind the project, and any potential risks involved. Always remember that investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, so it's important to only invest what you can afford to lose. And there you have it, folks. These were our top strategies for online income. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind or simply diversify your income streams, these tactics can help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, consistency, patience, and a willingness to learn are key to your success. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like,